How would you like your WordPress site to load 10 times faster in 30 seconds and also rank on Google? Hey guys, it's Sam here once again. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be giving an honest review on a product called Viper Cache. Welcome back guys. So what is Viper Cache? Okay, it's a way to make your page load faster on Google. Okay, make your WordPress site load like up to 10 times faster in 30 seconds with the cache that beats all of its competitors. Okay, it will speed up your WordPress site before you get hit by Google speed slap, because if your page doesn't load faster on Google, you are way below in terms of ranking and stuff, and visitors will not get to see your page as often as they should, to allow them to purchase from your site or whatever product you're promoting or selling on Google. Okay, so here's just a quick video of the competitors and stuff. So yep, so it's no secret that running slow sites will cost you, because once your pages are slow, you get slow ranking, less options, high bounce rate, lower conversions, and higher cost ads. Okay, so that is really going to affect your business, because people have this like 3 seconds mindset. Once they open your page, they want it to load up pretty fast. So like 1, 2, if it's not loading, they just go out of it and try out another page. So more than 50% of your visitors will leave if your site takes like 3+ seconds to load, and then 79% of visitors who have trouble loading that site won't return. So you want to make your page load faster, then you can try Viper Cache. Okay, so this is just the sales page I'm just going through to just have a glimpse of what Viper Cache does. So in the test that was carried out, I believe some sort of product experiment or something with Viper Cache, it showed that it was 77% faster than its competition, and the test was done using Pingdom with default block setting. Okay, so using the normal one, it's like 2.85 seconds, and with Viper Cache then it reduces up to 1.61 seconds. Okay, so it's just like that. So with Viper Cache here, we could see that, well, the page loading, it's like pretty high, and it's good to speed up your site and stuff. Okay, so here are some people who have used it for the site. So before, their site loads 4.37 seconds, but after it dropped to 2.69 seconds. Same here, it dropped as well, and it dropped. Okay, so faster cache means more sales for you. So if you want to get Viper Cache, right now is the best time to get it, because you are getting it right here and at an affordable price. So I'll be telling you guys more of the price offers when I get to my bonus page, okay, where I'll be offering you guys some bonuses that is going to help you. Okay, so here are 5 problems with the current cache plugin. So the first problem is you need a degree to use cache plugins nowadays. One wrong click and your site is broken. Okay, and the second problem is most free cache plugins are on a port to hackers. So it puts your page at risk, exposing your site to ongoing security risks, which is not good for business. While the third problem is, if you make any tiny change to just one page, all cache pages are cleared, then rebuilt, which will overload the server and make your page extremely slow. And the fourth problem is many cache products clash with popular themes and plugins. So all these are not really good for your page to load, and your bandwidth is eaten by fake bots, site scrapers, image leechers, costing you more in hosting. Okay, this massively increases your site workload and slows down your site. Okay, but here the vendors are saying that with Viper Cache you are able to get the best out of the best. Okay, which is something that everyone can try out, as long as you have a product to sell online, or you have a website, or you have an e-commerce store, or you are promoting goods, or you have any services to do with the internet. Then you could give Viper Cache a trial to see if it works for you, because I'm pretty sure it will load up your page as fast as possible, which will help you boost sales, conversions, and reduce your ad spend. Okay, so Viper Cache full feature that's stupidly simple and doesn't cause server lag. So it said it doesn't cause server lag, and it makes your WordPress site up to 10 times faster in just one click. Okay, so there'll be a demo video beneath this link that you can watch to get more insight on Viper Cache. Okay, so yep, so you have the smart cache clearing and smart rebuilding, and detect minor changes and auto rebuild cache on popular pages. Okay, and you get like traffic protection technology, so it blocks 1000 plus bad bots and auto blocks hot links. Okay, and it's compatible with all major page builders plus multi-site, e-coms, and cloud fair compatible. Okay, so it's it had so many benefits, as you can see linked up from here. There are just so many benefits as compared to its competitors right here. And what it just goes for $37. Okay, it goes for $37, which is a special offer, and I believe it's a one-time price. And these are testimonials from people who have actually used it and boosted their page by so many percentage and stuff. Okay, so well, this is it guys, $37 if you want to buy now, but I'll be giving more details right here on my bonus page. Okay, so let's hop onto the bonus page and not waste any much time. Alright guys, so if you want to get Viper Cache right now, okay, just click on the link in the description below, and it will bring you right here to this page, and then you click here to get Viper Cache right now, and the product will be yours, and it will make your WordPress site 10 times faster in just one click, and that beats its competitor, and will also rank you on Google, because the faster your page, the topper you get on Google, if that's the right word to use. Okay, so click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Okay, so quickly I'll be going through the bonuses before I come back to talk more on the prizes and the upsells. Okay, so the first bonus I'll be offering is mobile. Now, who doesn't want this? Because this is going to help you. With mobile, it's an all-in-one course that is going to help you make like $100 a day from your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need to be experienced. This is going to help you make $100 a day. Okay, and the second bonus I'll be offering is like the awesome traffic method to use with Viper Cache. Now, if your page loads faster, you would want to get traffic across to that site. Now this is where this traffic method is going to come in play for you, and not just one but two awesome traffic methods that you can use with Viper Cache. And the third one is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. Okay, if you have a website, you want to get some awesome designs on it, to allow traffic to come to your site and to make your site more beautiful for people to want to see. So this is where this comes in, and you wouldn't want to miss these bonuses. And the fourth one is the very interesting one: access Jonas proven $1 million in 365 day blueprint. Now this is going to help you make a lot of money. You might not make $1 million in 365 days, but you'll make a good amount of money, just from this blueprint, because I myself use it, and it has been working for me over the past couple of months. Okay, while the fifth bonus is all the special bonuses you'll be getting from the vendors. Okay, and guys, if you want to get my free webinar training, please just go onto the site, the Ministry of Freedom organization.com, and register. It's free. You'll learn the secret to so many things once you come up to this webinar, so don't miss it. All right, so we'll move on quickly to the prices and the upsells right now, so we could see what Viper Cash cost. So the front end for Viper Cash ranges between $17 and $97. Okay, with this you are going to access the Viper Cash software and the training modules, and there are just 3 upsells beneath that, which is the WordPress Profiler Plus agency license, which ranges about the same price, and the WordPress Toolkit Pro plugin bundle, which goes for $97, and the Site Health Check Plus plugin setup, which goes for $75. So with all of this, I believe you're guaranteed a much more faster page loading, that is going to actually help your business rank on top. So here are some of the key benefits you might be interested in getting. It doesn't play God with your themes and plugins, yet still achieve highest performance score. It's stupidly simple to use with fewer settings than all other cash products. It's built on a secure framework which massively reduces the potential for hacking. It has smart clearing and rebuilding technology, so it doesn't hog your site server resources and slow it down. It's built using the fastest cache technology without compromise on site stability. And most importantly, you have your 30-day money back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you can always request for your money back. Okay, so I think there is like a quick demo video right here. Okay.
Hi and welcome to another quick video, this time on site speed.
So I won't be playing all of it right now because of time, but then if you want to get Viper Cash, or you want to know more about Viper Cash, okay, just click on the link in the description below and Viper Cash will be yours. Okay, just purchase it, or you can click on the link below to come and watch the full video to know what it actually does, okay, and how it can be installed on your computer, without stress, because you'll be given like the step-by-step guide, and once you've purchased it, I'm pretty sure it will work for you, as the testimonials have said. So thank you so much guys for listening to this quick review on Viper Cash. So if you want to get Viper Cash right now, just click on the link in the description below and Viper Cash will be yours. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.